people are losing their fucking minds about this 4,000 hours of watch time on YouTube, and these small creators, these poor people that are losing tens of maybe 20s of dollars, are just furious. I've lost the motivation to make videos. YouTube has taken away everything. Oh my god, no, no, oh my god, no. Listen, I've got your solution, baby. Daddy's here. Don't worry. I know you're worried, and I got your solution right fucking here. This is what you're gonna do. You're gonna make a 10-hour video. That's right. You fucking heard me. A 10-hour video. All right? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna send this to everyone that cares about you, whether it's like one person, like or two or 20, and you're gonna tell them to just leave their computer running and click this video. Bang, easiest 10 hours of watch time ever. You don't actually have to make content because you love it. You just want to make sure to get past these guidelines so you can start making that money. That fat YouTube money, boy. That YouTube money, boy. So, you know, if you have more friends, obviously this helps. If you're a loser like me, I mean, it'll take a bit longer, but you'll still get it done. It's kind of like coin farming. Like, you just set your computer up for farming. If you have multiple computers, this helps too. So this is the easiest way to get the hours requirement. So yeah, no problem. You're welcome.